Hey, welcome to a transformative journey that will change the way you think about B2B sales. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. And today we're going to be exploring how businesses can begin implementing AI in their B2B sales strategies. Get ready for a new era in sales. Imagine having a sales assistant that works 24/7, analyzes vast amounts of data, and predicts customer behavior with incredible accuracy. That's the power of AI in B2B sales. And it's not science fiction, it's a reality that's reshaping the landscape. One of the greatest strengths of AI in B2B sales is its ability to analyze data. Take LinkedIn, for example. They use AI to analyze user data and provide valuable insights to businesses looking to connect with potential clients. Now, AI can help you make data-driven decisions and identify patterns that you might have missed, giving you a competitive edge. Personalization is the name of the game in modern sales. AI enables businesses to personalize interactions with customers at scale. Amazon, a pioneer in this field, uses AI to recommend products to customers based on their browsing and their purchase history. It's like having a personal shopper for every customer. Predictive analytics is a superpower in B2B sales. AI can predict which leads are more likely to convert into customers, allowing you to focus your efforts where they matter most. IBM, for instance, uses AI to predict customer behavior and identify potential upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Chatbots and virtual assistants are AI-driven tools that can handle routine tasks, answer customer inquiries, and even assist in the sales process. HubSpot utilizes chatbots to qualify leads, schedule meetings, and even engage with customers. It's like having a sales team that never sleeps. Customer relationship management, or CRM, is crucial in B2B sales. Salesforce, a leader in this space, uses AI to enhance CRM with predictive lead scoring, helping businesses identify the most promising leads. AI-powered CRM can also provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. Email marketing is a staple in B2B sales, and AI can take it to the next level. Marketo, for example, uses AI to send personalized email campaigns that are tailored to each recipient's interests and behaviors. It's a highly effective way to nurture leads and drive conversions. So how can businesses begin implementing AI in their B2B sales strategies? So how to implement AI in B2B sales? A step-by-step guide. Assessment. Start with a comprehensive evaluation of your current sales processes. Identify areas where AI can make the most impact, such as lead scoring, data analysis, or customer insights. Data collection. Gather high-quality data. AI thrives on data, so ensure your CRM is robust and up-to-date. Collect information on leads, customers, and past interactions. AI selection. Choose the right AI tools or platforms for your specific needs. This could be AI-powered chatbots, predictive analytics, or sales automation systems. Integration. Seamlessly integrate AI into your existing sales systems. This often requires collaboration between your sales and IT departments. Training. Train your sales team. AI can significantly improve efficiency, but your team needs to understand how to work with these tools effectively. Pilot programs. Start with pilot programs to test the waters. This minimizes risks and allows for adjustments before full-scale implementation. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop to continuously refine your AI-driven sales strategies. Adapt to changing market dynamics and customer behaviors. Scalability. As you see positive results from your pilot programs, scale up your AI implementation to cover more aspects of your B2B sales operations. Data security. Ensure strict data security measures. With great data comes great responsibility. Protect your customers' data and comply with relevant regulations. Monitoring and optimization. Continuously monitor AI performance and optimize your strategies. AI evolves, so should your usage of it. By following these steps, businesses can effectively implement AI in their B2B sales strategies, enhancing efficiency, decision-making, and ultimately, revenue generation. In conclusion, AI is no longer a distant dream. It's a vital tool for businesses to stay competitive and thrive in B2B sales. From data-driven decisions to personalization, predictive analytics, chatbots, enhanced CRM, and advanced email marketing, AI offers a wide range of capabilities that can transform your sales strategy. Supercharge your outreach and 10 times your leads and meetings with Success.ai. Dive into a 700 million plus B2B lead goldmine featuring unlimited warm-up, AI-powered email writing, and 700 million plus verified leads. Start for free and experience the revolution in cold email marketing. No credit card needed. Seize your 14-day free trial now.